Hello, and welcome back to WeSo Health Tips, where health meets lifestyle. I'm so excited to share today's spotlight ingredient, a tropical gem loved across the globe for its unique flavor and amazing health benefits. Meet tamarind. Sweet, tangy, and packed with goodness, this fruit is a game changer. Did you know tamarind has a history as rich as its flavor? Tamarind originally hails from tropical Africa, but over time, it traveled to places like Asia, the Caribbean, and beyond, becoming a star ingredient in kitchens worldwide. In India, it's found in everything from chutneys to rice dishes. In Thailand, it adds a zing to pad thai. And let's not forget its role in Caribbean sauces and refreshing drinks. But there's more to tamarind than just taste, it's a powerhouse of health benefits too. Let's break it down. Tamarind is loaded with vitamins like vitamin C, B vitamins, thiamine, riboflavin, and niacin, and essential minerals like potassium, magnesium, and iron. These nutrients help support heart health, keep your immune system strong, and even boost energy levels. And get this, tamarind is also a fantastic source of dietary fiber. That means it's great for your digestion, helps prevent constipation, and even promotes a feeling of fullness, making it a secret weapon for weight control. But wait, there's more. Tamarind is rich in antioxidants like polyphenol and tartaric acid. These antioxidants help fight oxidative stress, reduce inflammation, and may even lower the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease and certain cancers. Plus, these same antioxidants work wonders for your skin, helping you glow from the inside out. Feeling stressed? The magnesium in tamarind can help relax your muscles and nerves, keeping you calm and collected. In traditional medicine, tamarind has long been a go-to remedy. Need a natural laxative? Tamarind pulp's got you covered. Fighting a cold or flu? Tamarind juice, with its vitamin C and antimicrobial properties, might just be the boost you need. And in some cultures, even the bark and leaves of the tamarind tree are used for healing wounds and reducing inflammation. Talk about versatility. In the culinary world, tamarind is a global superstar. Its tangy flavor enhances everything from Thai curries to Mexican beverages like agua de tamarindo. Love experimenting in the kitchen? Tamarind will take your dishes to the next level. And here's a fun fact, tamarind isn't just about food. In tropical regions, tamarind juice is consumed to prevent heat stroke and stay hydrated during hot weather. Tamarind's fiber content doesn't just support digestion. It can also help regulate blood sugar levels, making it beneficial for managing diabetes. And let's not forget its role in cardiovascular health. The potassium in tamarind helps lower blood pressure, while its antioxidants may reduce cholesterol levels. Plus, its calcium and magnesium content support strong bones. So whether you're young or young at heart, tamarind can help keep you moving. So, what are you waiting for? Add tamarind to your wellness routine and enjoy its endless benefits. This tropical treasure is your next step to a healthier, happier you. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more health tips from WeSo Health. Click the bell icon so you never miss out on the next big thing in health.